Are you still running your entire business on messy, chaotic spreadsheets that break the moment someone changes a single cell? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are looking at Grist, a relational spreadsheet database designed to completely end data chaos. Think of Grist as the perfect middle ground. It gives you the familiar, easy-to-use layout of a spreadsheet, but with the actual power, security, and structure of a relational database. Whether you are trying to manage a team, track projects, or build custom workflows, Grist lets you turn your data into secure, no-code applications. So, what makes Grist different? First, it's relational. Instead of copying and pasting the same data across 10 different sheets, you can link your tables together seamlessly. But the real game changer is the built-in AI assistant. If you hate writing complex formulas, you can literally just chat with your data. You can ask the AI to write formulas, modify records, or analyze your data using plain, everyday language. Grist also comes with one-click forms and surveys to collect data easily, custom widgets to visualize your workflows, and ready-to-use templates for things like lightweight CRMs, class enrollments, and investment tracking. Because it's so general-purpose, Grist is used across tons of industries. For example, large organizations like La Suite in France use it as part of their digital workspace, while manufacturing companies like Maddox use it on-premise to track KPIs and sales delivery. For advanced users, Grist offers power tools like webhooks, an interactive API console, and even self-hosting options, meaning you can keep complete control over your data. Now, let's be completely transparent. While we don't have a massive list of third-party user reviews to pull from today, the biggest pro is clearly its flexibility and the ability to self-host for maximum data privacy. On the flip side, if you are strictly used to basic, flat spreadsheets like Excel, there might be a slight learning curve as you get used to how relational databases connect. Fortunately, their ready-made templates make it much easier to get started. If you are ready to stop fighting with messy spreadsheets and start building clean, automated workflows, Grist is absolutely worth a look. You can head over to getgrist.com to sign up for a free trial and build your first creator site. Let me know in the comments, what's the biggest spreadsheet nightmare you've ever had to deal with? Don't forget to like, subscribe for more no-code tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.